honestly, I was not expecting it to work. These fleece blankets we line our guinea pig cages with, even after washing, they stink. So I'm gonna try out some Electrifresh on them and see how it does. It's got spray and stream options. We're gonna do spray. I did one and I didn't do the others. So we're gonna let them dry and then compare. We are back, it's an hour later, everything's dried, and here's the original. It's ripe. It's ripe with guinea pig odor. And then here's the one that we sprayed. The same mat as far as it was used for a week, it was washed, it still stunk, but no guinea pig smell. Like, I don't understand how this works, but it works, and honestly, I was not expecting it to work. This is a sponsored video, but I told them, I'm like, if it doesn't work, I'm not doing it. Let me try it out, and it works. How does this work? It's water, salt, and electricity. How does this eliminate the odors? How does it neutralize? It's not masking them with like this overpowering or any kind of smell. There's no flowers, there's no perfume. It's just the bad smell's gone. It says shockingly fresh. It's no joke, it is shockingly fresh. Ingredients: electrolyzed oxygenated water, 100%. That's it. Yes, really. I don't understand why this works. It's some sort of magic and I'm here for it. I love it. It says it's great for pet odors and stains, dog and cat beds, and guinea pig fleece liners, litter boxes, chew toys, clothing, sports and gym equipment, fabrics, bedding, sofas, cars, everything. Just spray, spray, spray. And remember, it has a spray and a stream. You can choose which you need. 32 fluid ounces. A science-backed electrolyzed deodorizer. I've never heard of this before, but yay. So happy. I mean, like what? It's amazing. This is a new staple in our house with our guinea pig stuff, with shoes, with all the stuff that I used to Febreze. Bye to that stuff. That wasn't safe for my guinea pigs. I couldn't use it on their stuff anyway. So this is our new go-to for the house, for the kids, for the pets, everything. Electrifresh odor eliminator. Get it, guys. Link in video description below to learn more about this and to get it today with my affiliate link.